Farscape guy. What is a life safety and who does it hurt? Does it hurt the landlord? Nope. But you know who it does hurt? It hurts the tenants and the firemen. Look what happens when you ignore a Farscape long enough. All right? This tread is ready to drop a tenant or a fireman. And if you think that's bad, look at all the rust on every one of these treads. Come with me. Look at this one. This one is ready to drop a fireman, a bunch of tenants trying to get out, and a bunch of firemen trying to get back in. This is life safety. You know how long you have to leave this tread here? You have to leave it alone for 25 to 50 years. That's what's gonna hurt or kill tenants and firemen. All right? So the law is very clear. You must inspect your Farscape every 5 years and keep it painted. So if you have something similar to this, take a picture, save a fireman, save a tenant. Take a picture of it, send it to the landlord, send it to the management company. If they ignore you, send it to the fire department. They'll come and help you. If they know this exists, they'll write a violation. Send it to your building department. They'll come and help you. All right? So that's the law. Saving lives one Farscape at a time. This is bad. Life safety.